For most of human history, the cause of sickness was a complete mystery. We blamed it on bad air or curses. But in the 1800s, scientists like Louis Pasteur revealed the truth. We are living in an invisible war, surrounded by trillions of microscopic organisms called microbes. This is germ theory. Our enemies come in many forms. The most common are bacteria, living, single-celled organisms that multiply on their own and release toxins. Then there are viruses. Viruses aren't even alive. They're just tiny packages of genetic code that hijack our cells, forcing them to make copies until they burst. This difference is critical. Antibiotics are nukes that kill bacteria, but they are completely useless against a virus. So how do we fight back against this invisible invasion? Our single greatest weapon is shockingly simple: washing our hands with soap. But why soap? Why not just water? Imagine a virus is coated in a greasy, fatty layer. Water, being the opposite of oil, just slides right off. But a soap molecule is a double agent. It has a head that loves water and a tail that loves fat. When you wash, the soap's tail burrows into the germ's fatty shell, while its head pulls towards the running water. This tug-of-war acts like a molecular crowbar, physically ripping the virus apart and washing the debris down the drain. This same principle of control applies elsewhere. In a kitchen, we use temperature. Refrigeration doesn't kill bacteria, it just puts them in slow motion. High heat from cooking destroys them completely. In medicine, vaccines act as a training drill, preparing our immune system for a future attack. From the molecular warfare of soap to the strategic use of heat and vaccines, we've learned to fight and win. The greatest revolution in human health wasn't a magic potion. It was understanding our invisible enemies and the simple science needed to defeat them.